Siri. சொல்லுங்க அண்ணா
One line from here.
ಯಾರ್ದು ಇದು
ಗೌತಮ್
ಅಕ್ಕ ಈ ಪೈಲ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್
ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ ಅಡಿಕಲ ಅದು
Are the children drawing very well?
Yes, they are doing very good. Actually, we are learning.
ಕಲರ್
Arun, what are you doing?
Drawing.
Are they drawing very well?
They are teaching us actually.
Calling him, sir.
Okay.
ನಾನು ಈ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಹೇಮಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಮಂತ. ಹೇಳು ಚಿತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದರ ಚಿತ್ರ ನಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
So every time we get this fund from our teams or from a company to have parties and all, we go to some lavish restaurants and enjoy the food out there. So this time my team has planned something different. We have used this fund for the people who need it actually. So we all have come up to an orphanage over here and we are going to spend a whole day with them and we are going to use all the party fund to enjoy the day with them.
How do you feel, Ashutosh?
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy here. Actually, it's like a same things repeated for last 1 year. So it's a kind of different to see to be with children and all.
Yeah, we are remembering our childhood. while
Remembering
coming
our
out here.
childhood. So it's feeling very good.
Rakesh.
Yeah, being in Bangalore, it's kind of a place where we do party only. Weekends we go out for a pub or so. But it's better. I'm feeling good to be spending my money out here and giving this poor guy a help and pushing them up. It feels good and great.
Any message to the society?
I want to tell that each and every team in any company that we get quarterly funds or we get on-site funds, we can go party to everywhere every time, but we can at least plan once a year to come out here and help one orphanage every time. So if each team takes a part, then there won't be out of funds or out of food anytime in any day.
One message is like every human being have a capability. They can make a difference. Individual can make a difference. So here we can start.
Very nice.
How do you feel, Sushma? How do you feel right now?
Very nice, yeah, seriously. I should have bought my son. I should have bought my son, but he canceled. Okay.
Sir, in the parallel. Okay, give it now.
Give this one.
Number 6.
Round ಮಾಡಿ. Learn drawing from kids rather than teaching.
We played games and so much fun we did.
They are the smallest child. Sorry.
We made them a special day so that they are
And
happy
it's
now.
special day for us.
Any message?
Spend at least a day in a month to see this what is happening around.
Come on, Nameji.
Back kami. Okay, ange. Ukkaru. Ready? எல்லாருக்கும் பேக் பிடிச்சிருக்கா? பிடிச்சிருந்தா சொல்லிடு. கீழே வை.
Back here. Down. Back down.
ये दोनों मिक्स हो गए ना
वे.
Probably come fast now, else it will get more heated.
For everything, life is required.
కింద మాడిపోతుంది.
On the top only, right? So even if you go out to this, you don't have to go.
we are trying to prepare some special biryani for the kids to make their day special. And but
So how was the preparation for all this?
yeah, we are just trying our best.
No.
So Soumya, Priyanka, Kitty, Ramya, and Karthik. We all are trying to make the day best for the kids. Yeah, we have cut all the vegetables at home, and then we came with all the vegetables ready, and now we have put the rice. We are mixing all the vegetables, cooking it, and after that we will mix in the rice, and then we are trying to prepare a veg biryani for all the kids. And then as you can see in the back that Ramya, Soumya, Priyanka, everyone is involved here, and they all are trying to do their best, and they are preparing a raita for the biryani. And let's see how it comes. Yeah,
Happy?
I'm feeling very happy. I'm very happy that I can do something for these kids.
കത്തി പിടിക്കുന്നേ അതൊരു ഷോട്ട് എടുക്കായിരുന്നു.
Slowly.
Or can you try? I'll try to mix. Dipali, you.
Okay, we'll mix both. It's pretty good. I have confidence.
Overconfidence.
It's not over.
I'll give more. It's like migration project, doing it together. God knows. How good? No.
Hello.
ఎదురు చూస్తున్నాడు కార్తిక్.
పాపం నిన్నట్టు అడుగుతున్నాడు అక్క చాలా
ఆల్రెడీ పైన చేస్తున్నాడు.
biryani. You have to define biryani.
Taste to decide which.
Some more?
Take that note for the read.
ప్రియాంక నేను కూడా తినేస్తాను.
అక్క ఇంకో 2 ప్యాకెట్లు ఇంటికి తెస్తా.
Start with jamun.
Documentary? Do you need?
Okay. Good. That's nice. It's
എൻ്റെ മൊബൈൽ എൻ്റെ ബാക്കിൽ ഇരിപ്പുണ്ട് അവിടെ എൻ്റെ ഫോട്ടോ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് പിക്ചർ.
Tell us when to smile. All of you look like cheese. Cheese. Jamun. Biryani. Smile is gone.
Bye bye. Can you send the photos through WhatsApp? Yeah. Yeah, we can send. Number, he has your number. He has mine. Okay. Send it. Thank you. What he has taken. Photos. Yeah. It will be a record for us also. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Let's take attendance report.
Let's go. How is everybody going, Priya?
Some by bus, some by car, some by bike.
Good job.